If you are thinking about upgrading to Windows 11, here are some most genuine reasons that can help you decide easily. The very first thing is security and safety. Windows 11 is built with stronger protection like secure boot and advanced security layers which help keep your files, passwords, and personal data safer. Upgrading early means fewer risk in the future, especially when Windows 10 support is ended. Second is better performance. Windows 11 manages background apps smarter, so daily tasks like browsing, editing videos, or multitasking feel smoother. Many users notice faster wake up time and more stable performance during the long usage. I'll show you the task manager, and this is not a very high-end PC. I'll show you here. So you can see I'm using almost like 16 GB of memory, SSD, i7 and 2.i7 processor, 13 generation, and it has a Intel Iris R GPU, and it is working absolutely smooth. The productivity features like snap layout, cleaner settings, and a modern interface makes it easier to work with multiple windows. This is helpful for students, office users, and creators who want a more organized workspace without installing any extra tools. The fourth one is the future support and updates. That's the most important thing for me, at least. Most new features, optimizations, and long-term improvements are focused on Windows 11. So moving now helps you stay ready instead of facing sudden upgrade pressure later. But remember, upgrading is not compulsory for everyone. If your PC is very old or not officially supported, staying on stable Windows 10 setup is completely fine for now. Overall, Windows 11 is about staying secure, working smoother, and being prepared for the future without changing your basic workflow. I hope this helps. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe for more tutorials, more videos like this. Have a wonderful day.